mo? They have many suki. Lakpan. Pwede naman siguro yun. Lagyan ko ng close and close pa rin. Ay, ano? Ganyan, cook and cook. Kilala? Ano English ng kilala? Kilala na sila? Permanent, ano?
Permanent seller.
We have stable. As of now, their business is performing very well and stable. Stable customer, right? And have stable customer and have easy to eat. That every customer, they have been really satisfied. They create a good customer relationship. Tapos, diba? Significant challenges encountered significant challenges encountered while running the business and solutions to those challenges. Ayun na lang tatanong ko mamaya. Private and on public assistance ability to help run the business. Personal characteristics. Tanongin ko na yan mamaya. Nasamad na ako, kain na tayo. Okay na tayo, ma? Yun na, magtanong. Ganun ako kaya hindi ako nagtatapos. Kaya mamaya na. Kanya na habit.